Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We have also announced the new tourism policy for the state of Goa. Last month it has been done. It has been in the making for almost last more than 3 years. So finally during this COVID period, since we did not have much other work to do, so we managed to complete this exercise and we announced this tourism policy, which basically shifts the focus of from the convention coastal tourism to the hinterland tourism. We would want more and more tourists to come, but we also want to give them more and more reasons to visit Goa than simply the beaches and the entertainment and the nightclub and nightlife. So to that extent, we are trying to concentrate upon the culture of Goa, and which are there situated in the hinterland of Goa, and also we would like to make the tourists to realize the tropical rainforest-like experience which they can feel in the dense forest of Goa. We are trying to have some eco-sustainable huts which can be put up in this without damaging or causing any harm to the forest environment. To that extent, we are trying to shift the focus. And hopefully from the next year onwards, we will start implementing this tourism policy also. That also one of the initiatives which we have taken. And we accord utmost priority to the safety of tourists. In fact, that can be understood from the fact that we are the first state to initiate talks with WTTC and managed to get into agreement with them, and we are offering the safe travel certificate, and we will ensure that as many of our tourists, as many of our hotels are coming and participating and availing this certificate.
Okay. And sir, you also said that a new tourism policy will be implemented by next year. And so we have TTAG here who in the past have opposed, saying that...
No, they have not opposed. They are here, you can ask them. They have a few reservations on some aspects of the tourism board. So we are working and discussing with them. Hopefully it will be resolved.